Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to write email your boss, your teacher, your professor for the vacation, leaving or any kind of concept using ChatGPT, OpenAI introducing this feature. So how to use? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So I already make a couple of videos related on ChatGPT. You just need to come here in ChatGPT, OpenAI. If you have no idea about this one, you can visit on the playlist of OpenAI and learn much more thing. Now today's concept here, how to write an email to your boss for the vacation or leaving. So you need to just type here your query, email boss for vacation, enter, and ChatGPT are helping you to write one of the best structure of email. Look at this here, to boss, email address of your boss, subject request for the vacation. Hi boss, you can type here the specific boss name and just I am writing request for vacation time from starting date to ending date. I will make sure that all my works is up to date. Take care about before I leave, and I will be available via email anything urgent comes up. So look at this, this is one of the best structure. You can just simply copy this one and use your email address. Type here boss name, type here starting date, ending date, and your name. It's quite really amazing. Otherwise you just put it here, email professor for vacation, and then see which types of structure we are receiving. Look at this, professor email address, request for this one, dear professor, last name of the professor, I am writing request vacation from starting date to ending date, make sure catch up missing work and top upcoming assignment before I leaving. So look at this here, boss related concepts comes here work fully, and professor related concepts comes here upcoming assignment before I leaving. So this is a differentiation between boss and professor, and using ChatGPT you can learn much more thing. I already make a several video. You can visit OpenAI playlist and learn much more thing. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.